All right, so there's a few days before your launch, and you make sure you have a checklist of the things that you have to get done before then. One of the things you have to make sure to do is to contact your hosting company and notify them that you might get a lot of traffic in a short period of time, and ask them if you have enough bandwidth to cope with this traffic. Another thing I highly recommend you do is to notify PayPal. Okay, if you get a sudden surge in sales and it's more than your usual daily activity, it may raise a red flag with PayPal, and PayPal may limit your account. They may hold your funds, and they may investigate what's going on, and who knows how long this hold or this limit they put on your account will be. So you may not be able to withdraw any funds until the investigation is over. So I highly recommend that you notify PayPal in advance. What I did was I called them and I emailed them a few days in advance. I called them to put a note on my account saying that there may be a sudden surge in sales on a particular date for the duration of my launch, and I also called PayPal the day before just to confirm that there was a note on my account. Okay. Another thing you should do is a test purchase just to make sure everything is working all right. My last launch was on the affiliate network called JVZoo, and they have a function there where you're able to do a test purchase for 1 cent. Okay. Another thing you want to do is to double check your sales pages, make sure the spelling is okay, they look all right, and that's the sales pages are formatted the way that you want. And lastly, another thing that you want to do is to remind your JVs and affiliates a day or two in advance that you are launching and to get their swipes ready.